G'day guys and welcome back to the show. Today I'm going to be doing a char-grilled Thai prawn salad. Something that is really fresh, really quite healthy and easy to do. I'm going to do it on the cob once again to show you that you can do something really nice and trendy in the outdoors. It's really nice and light, but really filling at the same time. Okay guys, let's get on with it. Okay, I've already preheated the cob, which I'll be using to grill the prawns. So we'll just get all this out the way, just so I can start prepping all the salad. As with any salad, you can put in whatever you want. You don't have to follow exactly what I'm putting in. If you don't like it, don't put it in. Simple as that. And next we'll get a red onion. Same thing, slice it thick, thin, however you like, it really doesn't matter. Okay, this is actually Chinese cabbage, wombuck, whatever you like to call it. Just slice that nice and thin. Some fresh coriander, just roughly chop it. These are all been pre-washed, otherwise you get a little bit of dirt and grit in them. Some fresh mint. A little bit of carrot, just for a bit of body, a bit of crunch, and some little bird's eye chilies. Once again, as little or as much as you like. I leave the seeds in. I like a bit of heat. You don't have to. All right, some of these I'll leave for the marinade for the prawns. So we'll just put everything into a bowl. And last, just a little bit of salad mix. Now we'll just leave this off to the side, not going to do anything with it until we need to dress it. All right, next we'll get on to the prawns. Now with these, just leave them as they are. Cut them right down the centre. Just put them into a container just so we can marinate them. And probably one more should do it. Oh no, I must do the whole lot, huh? Okay, we'll just give this a little bit of a clean. Now just lay the prawns out. A little bit of chilli. Or a lot. A small amount of salt. Now I'm also going to marinate them in this dressing. Now, honestly at home I would probably make my own. I just feel when you're camping, you're out and about, you're probably not going to have the time and you don't want to do it anyway. You don't have to use this brand, but I actually like this one. It's actually a nice Thai style salad dressing. So I will use it in the salad as well, but I'll use it just to marinate it. It has got palm sugar, a little bit of chilli, lime and lemon juice, but also add a bit more lemon myself. And just a little bit of oil. Now just let these sit, I don't know, 5 minutes, just to sort of let everything sort of combine, get a little bit of flavour in there. Once that's done, we'll stick them on the cob and give them a really quick sort of grill and put them onto the salad. Okie dokie then. So, get over to the cob, which I have had on for about 20 minutes. So it's nice and hot. Just grab the prawns, just one by one. Put them shell side down first. That way you get a nice sort of char. Now we'll just put the lid on. Honestly, it's probably going to take 4 or 5 minutes. Just give it a really quick grill. In the meantime, we can dress the salad. Now, like I said before with this dressing, it is a cheat. Obviously, you can make your own if you have time, but I just feel when you're camping, there's a lot of ingredients that goes into this. And I just don't think you can be bothered. I mean, I can't be. You know, at home, yeah, I'll make it myself, but you know, I mean, you got chili, ginger, garlic, brown sugar, everything you can think of that goes into it. You got to take 30 ingredients with you to make that. And honestly, for camping, I think it's fine. Just a small amount of that in there. Give it a good mix. Right, just let it sit for a couple of seconds until the prawns are done, and then we'll dish it up. Okay, we'll just give these a check. As you can see, they're gone quite opaque, so they're just about ready. Now with prawn, not just prawns, any seafood, you don't want to overcook it. It'll go tough and it really loses its flavour. Now we'll just grab the salad and just arrange it. Looks like a bit of a mountain, but we'll see how we go. All right, prawns will be ready. Just a little bit of pepper. Makes it look pretty, tastes good too. And there you have it. Something really, honestly, quick and simple, quite healthy, and really tasty. Beautiful, crisp salad, beautiful fresh prawns, awesome, awesome taste. If you're looking for something really fresh, quick and easy to cook, this is something you can knock up within 10 minutes. Don't have to use a cob, you can use a grill, a fry pan, whatever you got. Really easy to make, seriously, really, really easy. Something you can make, knock up for lunch, tea, wherever you want. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you've got any comments, feel free to do so. I'd love to see what you think about the video, and I'll get stuck into it. Beautiful and fresh. You get a really nice sort of tang from the mint and the coriander. You really should try it. Fantastic. Thanks, guys.